you press this bell button. The bell button makes you bigger.
Oke. Nah, jadi guys, kita sekarang di Toronto, Ontario, Provinsi Ontario. Kita sekarang lagi lockdown lagi. Jadi semuanya gedung-gedung perkantoran, gym, bioskop semuanya tutup lagi. Jadi tempat berbelanjaan juga jadi kapasitasnya kembali lagi ke 50%. Nah, ini nih anak-anak sekarang jadi kembali balik lagi nih belajar di rumah nih. Nah ini be, kita orang tua jadi repot. Ini dia nih. Jadi guys, ketemu Gab. Where's it, Gabs? Gab. Okay, did you find the page? Did you find the page? Nah, jadi kalau di sini suasananya, jadi guru itu seperti ini Gabe ya. Ini Gabe. Jadi itu guru itu ngasih satu-satu bundle begini. Dikasih bundle satu-satu jadi sama guru. Jadi sama gurunya itu diantar satu-satu ke rumah. Jadi ini nih buat Gabe nih selama 1 minggu nih. Selama 1 minggu dikasih begini. Jadi kalau seperti Anda lihat, jadi kita bebas memilih. Jadi laptop juga dikasih dari sekolah satu masing-masing. Kalau yang itu punya naik. Kalau Gabe dia nggak ini, dia pakai yang punya sekolah. Jadi seperti yang Anda lihat nih, ini Gabe di sini kebetulan anak saya yang paling kecil, dia kan masih kelas 1. Nah, jadi ini Anda bisa lihat nih, ini pelajarannya si Gabe. Jadi udah di print diantar sama guru nih satu-satu. Jadi setiap ini dia nanti setiap minggu dia dikasih. Jadi ini materi yang seperti Anda lihat nih ya, seperti yang Anda lihat nih. Ini matematika ya. Gabe, where's the math? Oke, seperti ini lihat nih. Ini matematikanya si Gabe. Nggak tahu apa artinya ini. Gue nggak ngerti tapi kurang lebih ini kayaknya bentuk-bentuk kubus atau apa ya. Jadi si Gabe anak saya yang masih kecil, masih umur kelas 1 SD. So how's going, Nick? Nicky, you okay? Ya. Jadi guys, kalau di sini yang saya lihat online class, jadi sama sekali dia itu 100% online class. Jadi mungkin di Indonesia juga sama ya. Nggak tahu saya kalau di pedesaan mungkin beda dengan di kota di Jakarta kali ya. Jadi dia startnya itu jadi 8.30 sama. Jadi upacara menyanyikan lagu kebangsaan, habis itu istirahat, habis itu makan siang. Jadi sama persis, cuman ini online. Jadi kayak ini nih. Jadi kayak si Nick. Now you have a rule. You can't turn the camera off, right?
Yeah.
During the class? Say it again?
Unless she tells us to.
So you have to leave in the camera all the time?
Yes.
Unless she tells us
you're going to the bathroom.
Yeah, of course, ya. Yeah. Jadi katanya kalau di sini tuh online belajar itu, jadi kamera itu nggak bisa dimatiin. Jadi guru itu harus monitor siswa 100%. Jadi nggak boleh. Kadang kan kamera kan bisa kita matiin. Jadi anak-anaknya main, ini nggak boleh sama sekali. Dan kita juga semua orang tua juga dapat email semuanya. Jadi nggak boleh dimatiin. So guys,
What?
so how's it?
What did you say?
So what are you guys studying now?
Patterns.
Patterns. What is patterns in French?
L'égalité.
Can you say it out loud?
L'égalité.
And which is in English is?
Pattern.
Pattern. So l'égalité.
The regularité is the rule.
I can't hear you. It's too loud.
Okay, say it again, Naki.
Regularité is the rule of the pattern.
Oh.
Okay.
The pattern is
L'égalité.
All right. First time, tell me what is your name?
Gabe.
Gabi who?
Suai.
Gabi right. So Gabi, look at. So what do you think about online class again? Do you like it or no?
Yeah.
You like it online class?
I like both of the types.
So which one do you prefer, online or offline class?
I don't really know.
You don't really know? What do you mean you don't really know? Like, do you like meeting with your friends? Like, so you can play together or just...
Yeah, I do. At least if we could talk to them, but at least it's here. We have to get out of the class. They're gonna have to come to our house, so we have to go to their house and come back when this is done.
in an offline class, you don't have to deal with your annoying brother.
And in actual class, you get to meet them without even going to the house. And on offline class, you can't talk to them when the teachers, like, you can't talk to them really that much because you can't do that at recess, and at school we're gonna have to do work.
Oh, gitu. Jadi katanya dia lebih senang kalau online class karena.
Dad, beside you.
Kenapa?
Beside you.
Okay, sure, yeah. Okay, that's okay, Gab. Jadi dia katanya lebih. So you prefer offline class, right? So you can play with your friend, right? So jadi katanya si Gabi lebih senang di pertemuan di kelas tatap muka, dia bisa bermain sama temannya. Okay, so because the reason is so you can play with your friend, right? Okay, alright. Alright, give me your thumb.
What?
Give me your thumb.
This?
Yeah, thumb up. Thumb up. No, thumb. Not blowing balloon. Yes. Over here to the camera. Okay. Say, can you introduce your name?
My name is Nike.
Nike who?
X-Ray.
Okay.
Or for long, Nike Rain Palace. X-Ray.
Okay. And like here's the question. So this week you guys start again with to the online class, right?
Actually, for the next 2 weeks until the 17th,
Okay.
we're gonna restart offline class on 18th.
Okay, jadi 2 minggu lagi nih kita bakalan online class lagi dan seterusnya kita nggak tahu gimana. Nah, here's the question. So what do you think? Do you like it online or offline class?
Well, I prefer offline because you can talk to your friends. You can, well, you're not really sitting in a chair, and also it's better for the It's better for the teacher, in my opinion, and kind of better for me for the same reason, because there's not people who just turn off their camera and who's not there, because I kind of want to see my friends, and it's really frustrating for the teacher if there's nobody there.
Okay, jadi,
like my brother here who's blowing balloons during class.
Can I ask you something?
okay,
No.
jadi kata dia si Nike, dia lebih senang di pertemuan tatap muka langsung karena lebih apa namanya lebih positif lah karena ini kan
I want to ask you
katanya
one
adiknya
question.
mengganggu
Not now,
kalau
after.
pas lagi belajar di rumah. Jadi terus kalau di offline class juga bisa ketemu sama teman-teman. So yes, Naki, go over there, guys. Yeah. So what's your question?
No, Gabby.
My question is, Dad, but Madame says if you don't want Daddy, sometimes maybe they can talk in class, but they can't mute them because in class Madame said last year in online class you can mute them if you don't want them to talk.
Jadi kata si Gaby katanya gurunya lebih senang offline katanya karena kalau
they can just turn off the microphone.
iya kalau online
You know
katanya
what the most annoying thing
kalau
is?
ada anak-anak yang ribut bisa di mute speakernya. Kalau di kelas nggak bisa di mute anaknya.
Do you know what the most annoying thing is?
Ya.
When somebody says there's something called the chat where you can type your comments without saying something. And when somebody says something interesting on real life, the chat starts blowing up.
Oh.
And if everybody starts doing the comments and the teacher gets so annoyed she turns off the chat about exactly when you're about to press go in, it's really annoying because it says chat is not available at this time.
Oke, jadi katanya kalau ada chatting itu katanya yang bisa ngetik type-nya di chatting katanya agak sedikit mengganggu katanya karena nggak bisa maksimal. Oke, so alright, give me your thumb. So
The only good thing about online class is I can eat whatever I want.
okay.